Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone for the support of the thumbs up. Okay guys, this is a brand that I told you I absolutely love. And then when one of our boxes did it as a takeover box, I could not wait to share even more about this brand. And then today, there was a delivery, and it actually was the second time that I'm receiving more products from this brand. And it is a brand that I've been telling you about and I'm enjoying so much. So I am so excited that now I might be on their PR list, but it is so exciting to be able to share this with you. There's a couple of items in here that I'm going to share with you that we got in that other box, and I will show you a couple of different sizes. I always like to give you as much information as I can, because when I enjoy something, I want to make sure that you guys know about it too. So this is a brand called REN Skincare, and they have a card. Everything in here was beautifully packaged. Everything about this brand is absolutely fantastic. It is a clean brand. I'm going to read to you a little bit about the history of this company, very little, and then we're going to go in through the products, and I'm going to show you the ones and the sizes that we got in the box that we just got last month, and then some of the products that they put in here that I didn't have the opportunity to share with you. All right, so number one, two things that I want to share with you right off the bat. REN Skincare is also part of Rakuten. So if you are a member of Rakuten and you want to take advantage of a sale that they have going on right now, which I'm going to share with you, there's no affiliated codes, there's none of that. This is me enjoying products and saying to a brand, yes, if you'd like to send me your product so I can share more about it, I'd be really happy to, because I share about your product anyways. And that is what this video is all about. They don't ask me to do a video. I usually just, on some things that I get, I just post it on my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, I always tell you that you're missing out. It's True Wants with the number 2. But when it's a brand that I absolutely love, I always want to make sure that you guys know about it too. So Rakuten. If you're a member of Rakuten, then make sure that if you're purchasing and going through this sale that's going on right now, which the code is FF20, that gets you 20% off their website. Like I said, no affiliates. They're not asking me to do this. I'm just sharing the sale that's going on right now with you guys. But if you're part of Rakuten, you'll also get percentages back because they are part of the Rakuten. If you are not part of Rakuten and you're interested in this product line, then definitely use my link, because when you use my link, you will get an additional $30 added to your Rakuten check that you get every quarter. I will also get $30 because you use my link, so thank you. But you must, as soon as you hit that link, you must spend at least $30 within the first 90 days of hitting that Rakuten link. So it doesn't all have to be on this website. Sephora's on Rakuten, ULTA's on Rakuten, Walgreens is on Evercom, Walmart's on Rakuten. Every site that you normally would shop at is on Rakuten. And then all Rakuten is, it's a cash app, which means you do not pay monthlies, you do not have to sign up for any additional fees or any of that. It simply is cash back for doing what you normally would do. You simply go into the Rakuten site first, and then you type in REN Skincare, and then it will bring you to the website of REN, and that's all you have to do. So all your information that's on REN, all the discounts that you would get with REN's discount codes are on there. But the other thing that Rakuten does, it also knows that I shop on REN Skincare. So when there's a sale going on, it will send me an email telling me that there's some other deals going on, or if there's a double or a triple percentage sale going on in reference to Rakuten, then they send me those emails as well. So I love Rakuten. It has saved me so much money, and it has made shopping even better, because not only do we get to use the discount codes that we like to use, we also get an additional money back from them as well. So it's been a nice little bonus, and I love being able to have a channel to be able to share that with you, and to also have a link that shares with you that $30. So if you're interested in something that is $50. You know that it's really only costing you $20 because you're going to be getting that $30 back plus a percentage on top of it of whatever the percentage is on the site that you're shopping on. So I think it's an absolute win-win, and that's why I share it with you guys too. All right, so as I mentioned, there's a sale going on right now, and it's just ironic because I always check the website before I sit down to make sure, and there is one going on right now, and the code is FF for friends and family 20 for 20% off. There's also the REN Skincare for the USA is the site that you want to make sure that you go to. I will try to leave the link to the website down below, but like I said, it's not an affiliate, it's just a link to help you find the site. Just so you also know, they have standard shipping in the US is always free with just a minimum of $30. And they also have for returns, if you're not completely satisfied with your order, they offer a refund providing the goods are returned to them within 60 days of purchase, which is absolutely fantastic. It gives you enough time for you to test and try the products and to make sure that they are an absolute fit for you like they are for me. All right. Now about REN, just so you know, they have been pioneers in the clean skincare since 2000. They select nature's most powerful and kind bioactive ingredients that harness their benefits in formulas to create effective, high performance, and clinically proven skincare to address diverse skin needs, always with the sensitive skin in mind. Their clean to skin, clean to planet position guides them in every decision that they make. They are passionate about protecting their planet's resources, and they're committed to reducing the waste that they will produce at every stage of their production, their distribution, and their promotion of their skincare. They are here not only to help transform our skin to make it better, but to also help transform the planet for better use. So everything like that they put in here, biodegradable, you know, peanut, everything about it was absolutely fantastic. And like they always mark, clean to skin, clean to planet. Now their story is, it all started with a mom-to-be who was living in London, and she felt that the formulas of her everyday beauty products were causing her sensitive skin to react. So she started turning to natural skincare, and she discovered that nothing really worked. And if it did, it didn't work for long. Her partner recognized the need within the beauty industry for skincare that delivered gentle yet effective results with bioactive, not just natural ingredients. And so in 2000, REN Skincare was born to pledge to never compromise efficiency for natural and with sensitive skin at its core. So what they're saying is, a lot of times people were pushing natural products, but they had to take the natural and then take the bioactive and take the science behind it and put it together. And that's what they did. And that's why we see results with their products. And I think they're absolutely fantastic. All right, the first product that they sent over, and I'm going to show you the difference in the sizes here. This is the size that they sent over. This is the normal size that's on their website. This is their Ready, Steady, Glow Daily AHA Tonic. And this is an exfoliating AHA and BHA toner. It will brighten, it will clarify, and it will refine. This is this one here is 250 ml, and that is their best-selling one. It has one of those tops where you open it up and you literally just put the right amount comes out on here. It is absolutely fantastic. The one that we got in our, and I shared this when we opened up our other box, that was the takeover box from that other brand. And this one here is the size that we got in there. What I also like about them on their website is you don't have to buy the one that is their normal size. And this is such a popular item. They even have it in a super size that you can get double the amount for only $55. So for $15 more, you can get the super size of this. That's how fantastic this product is. And companies will not make super sizes unless they're seeing the volume in it. But if you want to test it out, you can get these sizes for like $20. So a lot of them have in their sections that they have their full size, and then they have mini sizes, and their mini sizes are not sample sizes. There's enough in there for you to really, really enjoy at least a full month of skincare, so you'll know if it's something that your skin is enjoying. So like I mentioned, this mini is available on their site too. It's 100 ml, and this is $20 on its own. So what they wrote about this, they're saying, delivering multiple benefits in just one step. This is a leave-on skin refining toner that helps to eliminate dulling dead skin cells, and it exfoliates away excess sebum to reveal a brighter, clarifying, hydrating, smoother, and more even looking complexion. It's powerful, yet it is gentle, and is gentle enough for daily use and designed to limit irritation. It was also a formula that helps to smooth skin texture, even out your skin tone, visibly tightens your pores, and it also minimizes the appearance of fine lines and pigmentation, leaving your skin instantly dewy, glowy, with smoothing lactic acid, which is the AHAs, from sugarcane. It has pore refining salicin, which is the BHA, and that is found in willow bark, and the radiance boosting acids, and they're from olives. So this is an absolutely fantastic product. It is one that I enjoy, and I'm happy to get a replenishment on. The next one is also one that we got in our other box, and this is their Evercom line. And this is if you have really sensitive skin. And this is their Global Protection Day Cream. It comes in the full retail box, and then this is the product inside here. It is the Future Proofing Day Cream to immediately calm and soothe sensitive skin. This is a $50 product on its own, but it delivers a daily defense to help future-proof your skin against the key signs of sensitivity. This soothing day cream immediately calms and hydrates and smooths. But I want to share with you about the Evercare line, because I do have a couple of products here from that part of their line, and I want to make sure that you can understand if you have really sensitive skin or your skin gets red as soon as you put any form of skincare on it. This is what the Evercare line is for. It's also developed for dry, sensitive, or stressed out skin, and it's safe for sensitive as well as eczema prone skin. And unless they have been tested, they can never say that it is, because eczema is a skin condition, and you cannot say that it can do anything with that being said unless they have the scientific proof to back it up. I just want to make sure that that's clear. This is a comforting formula that's infused with a blend of powerful antioxidants and free radicals. It also has neutralizers that defend against dehydration and helps to shield your skin against damage triggered by pollution and all the aggressors, leaving your complexion feeling stronger now and in the future. It has hydrating sea buckthorn oil, replenishing and calming chamomile, as well as colloidal oils, and it is an exclusive global protection complex, which means that the barriers that they take all their products from, they're not hurting anything within the oceans or the seas. Everything that they do, they're making sure that they're doing it right. And then that is what this product looks like here. It is a really lightweight. You saw how it was like it was opaque, and then as soon as I touched it with my finger, it turned in almost to like a water. It is very lightweight. It is fantastic. It's a fantastic product, and I really am impressed with their Evercom line. Then also in reference to this, if you want to try it, you can get it also. Their 15 ml is only $20. So you can always try their products, like I said, in many versions as well. All right. The next item that I have in here is one that, what did I do with that one here? Yeah, this one here is this one that came in the jar. And this is their Evercom Overnight Recovery Balm. It intensely nourishes your barrier balm, proven to calm and soothe while you sleep. This is also good for people that have really dry skin, and well, also if you have those issues with like your cuticles and things like that. And this is a night melt balm. You melt with your fingertips and you gently massage it onto your clean, dry skin until it gets absorbed. So let me reach you first, and then I'll open this up to share this with you. This is, I think, the 50 ml, if I'm not mistaken. And this one is also a $50 value, but you need so little of their products because everything is really concentrated. This is clinically proven to reduce the appearance, this is, I'm all over the map. This one is $52. This is proven to calm and soothe while you sleep. It is this moisture barrier recovery balm that replenishes your skin during its natural overnight rejuvenative process to help soothe signs of sensitivity, and it also will accumulate during the day. So you can use this day or night, but because this is such a heavy duty moisturizer, it truly is a balm. And when you put your finger to it, it will melt into like almost a liquidy type of feel. And you can also, if you're doing your regular skincare routine and you want to lock it in, you can put this balm over it, and that will make sure that it creates a barrier between your skincare and your pillowcase and all the rest. So it really keeps everything where it needs to go. So really, really impressed with this product, have used it, enjoy it, and this is now just a replenishment of it. The next one is one that we also received in the other box, and this is one that I have shared with you numerous times on my channel. This is their Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. This is really fantastic. This is also one that you can not only use it during the day, you can also use it at night, but a lot of eye creams you can't use during the day because they end up being too slippery and they'll move around your makeup. This one I really, really enjoy a lot. This one is also 15 mil, and this is also in that $50 range, and it says proven to visibly reduce dark circles in 7 days. This is a lightweight eye cream that delivers a bright burst of hydration that instantly revives tired eyes and helps to even your skin tone. It lifts and improves the appearance and the firmness. They're saying it is designed to limit irritation, and it says the 95% naturally derived formula absorbs easily into the delicate eye area to help neutralize dark circles and puffiness. It has triggering free radicals that keeps your eyes plumped, smoother, and brighter look throughout the day. It says with antioxidant rich elderberry flower. It also is an upcycled from the French perfume industry and the moisture locking glycerin from corn. Like I said, the amount of work that went into creating this line, for us to be able to see these type of results and for them to be able to see that you will see a difference within 7 days, it's mind-boggling. And I really, really enjoy this product and is one that I've recommended a lot. The next item that was in this box is an overnight glow, and this one will be new to me. And this is a dark spot sleeping cream. And this one here, what they wrote, it says it's a brightening sleeping cream that is clinically proven to reduce the appearance of dark spots also within 7 days. And this one is also in that $50 range, but like I said, their products, you need so little, they last the longest time. This is also clinically proven to reduce the appearance of dark spots, as I mentioned, in 7 days. This is a brightening overnight treatment that visibly reduces hyperpigmentation without affecting or lightening your overall skin tone. So it's not a bleach, is what they're trying to tell you. It's intensely hydrating yet non-sticky. It is 94% naturally derived formula, will absorb easily into the skin, delivering the boost of moisture and targeting the root of the hyperpigmentation so that you wake up to a dewy, glowy complexion that lasts all day with a discoloration diminishing encapsulated algae complex and moisture locked glycerin from corn. And then this is what this one looks like here. And that's what it looks like, a really whipped cream. Let's see, I'll take a little bit on my finger here before I make too much of a mess. And these are all products I will be using. And like I said, I get so much skincare in the boxes, but when I get a line like this, I am using it solely. And then I'm using it all the way to the end, because when you have the luxury to use one brand and be able to use it from cleanser all the way through, you will see the results, and you will see if you see results. And I saw them and I fell in love with this brand way before they reached out to me. And probably because I was posting so much about it, that's what made them reach out, because I was buying it and enjoying it, and I was sharing it with you on this channel all the time. So that's what I do here. I try my best to share with you my knowledge if I've had the opportunity to try products and enjoy products. And then if we're lucky enough that products find us and they reach out, and then we're able to learn more about their products because I have a channel and share it with you guys, I think it's an absolute win-win. So this is REN Skincare. Like I said, this is not affiliated. I did not have to do this video. I choose to do this video because I want you guys to know about it. And that code FF20 for 20% off. The Rakuten will be there as well. I will try to leave everything in the description box so that you guys don't miss out. But this sale is going on right now. But they always run certain things that you can check, and they have bundles. So if you don't want to buy things individually and you want to buy a kit, they have them in travel sizes, mini sizes. You'll be able to fit it into your price point that you're comfortable with to spend on skincare if you're looking for a really good skincare line. And this is one that I would recommend. So once again, this is REN Skincare. Thank you so much for replenishing my stock and then also introducing me to some other products from your line that I have not had the opportunity to use, but I'm looking forward at testing out. Take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all again soon in my next video. Bye for now.